Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel InfoLearn and also welcome in the PowerShell lab. And today we try to learn some more about PowerShell. The topic for today discussion about the regular expression. So please go to my last some video about regular expression here. We discussed some important regular expression in the last some sessions in labs. If you noticed, please go there and please try to do the practice. And today I want to do some more regular expression example. Meta characters. What are the meta characters here? So in the regular expression we have some very good meta characters. Example, dot. What is dot? This is a point actually. So point or dot, you can say anything. So this is a regular expression. So which match a single character except a new line, right? That is the dot. And same we can discuss next, this slash d. What is this slash d? Slash d basically store not to store actually best match the how to say the digit actually, right? So digit it denotes the digit match. If you have your input, if there is a digit, it will be for the digits. So digits. So digits example, it can be for from here the range will be 0 to 9. Okay, this can be also important. And here there can be some characters, word characters. It can be also used. Okay. And then we can discuss about this slash s for space, white space. So these are four important meta characters. Okay. So let's try to discuss one by one. Okay, now what we can do the practicing with this, take an example. So let's try to take a very interesting word, that is a computer, right? And you want to match with anything. Example here, in this example, I want to match with computer, right? So if I match, do you remember what is match? Match is the again property parameter which can help us to match with any input string with your target. This is input string, this is the target string. Now it can give me the output true or false. And there are a couple of C match, match, split, and replace. You can use it. So I think match is a very good, which we can understand. So now what I try to use here. So CO here. So what I want to use, I want to use the dot operator or dot regex. Now we are learning regex, so we should say dot. So what is this dot mean to say point? So it can give the answer right now true. That means the second character can be anything. So what can be anything? Second character here. Example, it can be capital O. It is true. So it don't care about small or capital. Example, capital P. Okay. And small p. It gives you the true, right? And let's try to change with any special character. Example, at the rate of. Still, it don't care about that. It gives the true, right? So, and let's try to give some number as well, digits. Let's see 9. True. It is true that dot regex or regular expression will give us the opportunity to match only the single character. If you go with the more character, you can go with like this. Okay, so similarly you can do the practice with more characters, but which it care about the special next line. Let's see slash n. That is the next line. Now it is false. It is not good, right? So because this is the rule of this. So you can also try with this t. Okay, that means it can care for anything but accept the new line. Think about that. Okay, please try to do the practice as much as you can. Now next is we can take the next example here. Example, hello world. Okay, now you want to match with hello world. Okay, now what you want to do, what we want to do example here, slash d. So slash d is the digit. So knowingly I want to, let's see here, I want to put it here. Now it give me the false. Why? Because after hello, because this is on which position? Please focus on the position as well. So right now here, this is in the sixth position. So, but in my input string, there is sixth is nothing. So there is nothing. So I have to give some input. So in this position, so digit, let's see with the digits 8. Now it is true. Okay, that means it match with the digit. But if you put anything else here, it will not match. Okay, so that is the d/d. It will help us to match the digits only, right? So you can do the practice as much as you can. Let's try to see here. This time you want to do here, try to use any other position. Example, second character. Second character is a /t. So now if you put it example e here, so you don't care about that, it will give the false. So it's saying second character should be any number, example 0. It is true. What about the limit? Last is 9. Okay, so please try to see. But what will happen if you put two numbers? False, because we have this/t. This is for the second number. Okay, but if you want to give for the third number, then you should use /t. So you can use more /t based on your requirement. So I hope you can get it. That is the /t for helping us to match the digits, only the numbers. Okay, I hope you can get it. Now, let's next meta character. Next meta character is the /w word characters. So let's try to use here one more example. Let's see, thanks. So you want to match with thanks word here. Okay, now how we can use it? Example, let's see, this is the same. Okay, now let's see W. So please see here how many, focus on the position as well. 6 characters there. So how many? 5 and 6 is W. That means it is a character. It is true, right? Now, if you put it here 9, it is also good, but that will, it cares about it. It don't care about, how to say alphanumeric and underscore. Okay, so alphanumeric and underscore is the rule here. So then it is good. Okay, so for number it is working. Okay, and please try to put underscore. Let's see, it is also working. Okay, so it goods for underscore, it goods for digits, and it's good for any capital letter over here. So there is no issue. So that is very good. But what will happen if you will put a space here? Then it cares really. Then it is sensitive to that. That means it is not following the rule. That means these are following the rule. That is true. If it is not following the rule, it will give you the false here, right? So my last character is care about this space. So this is a space sensitive, you should say. So for alphanumeric and underscore, it is okay. Okay, but for the spaces, it is not okay. Okay, but if you want to use the spaces, in this case, what you will use? S. What is S? S is used for, this is again the meta character, that is the white space. Now it is good. Now can you see right now? If I use W, that means it is false, but if I give S, that means it is match, then it is good, right? So in that case you should use the /s, which match the white space. Okay, so let's try to take one more example here. Example here, we have a red word. Okay, let's try to clear first. I want to give more here. Example with match red. It is match. Okay, now what we can do here? So we want to put some meta character, example /s. So fourth character should be space, but in this position in my input here, fourth character is pose red P. It falls because it is not acceptable. Acceptable is only space, right? So /s is good here. Okay, but it is false now. If I use previously, which I use example W, then it will make the true, because W has, it's the rule. We can use simple characters, capital or slower or underscore. But in /s, we cannot use. In /s, space is acceptable, right? So this way you can do more and more practicing as well. So let's try to see one more example here. S. What does it mean? We need two spaces, third and fourth character here. One space and two space. Now it is good. It should give the true, but try to do with one space. It will be false, right? So this way you can use more meta characters as per your choice. So what we had in the meta characters now, what we did, dot, which show the single character matches. And then we discuss about /d. This is for the digit matching. And what was that? The S, this is for the space matching. And this was the W for the word character matching, right? So these are the important meta characters. Okay, now guys, I want to do some more in this lab. Groups. Groups also important here. So what are the groups here? So groups basically allow you to capture some part of the data. Example, input string, you have something and you want to capture some information you want to use later on. That's why grouping is important. For groupings, we have here two options. This bracket, this is a group, and here this is a non-group. So not, we cannot say non-group, this is the capturing group, and this will be also the capturing, but I can make not capturing, then I can put question mark and semicolon. So now I can say this is capturing, this is non-capturing. Very simple. Now I want to give very good example for this grouping, capturing, non-capturing. So let's see, we want to take example laptop. Okay, let's see. So suppose we have a laptop word and we want to match with it. Is good, it is true. Now make a group, example this group, take this, right? So now please try to see what is this. That means I am going to capture only 3 character. Okay, and to enter, it is true, but I want to store somewhere. Okay, so now you can use a semicolon. Let's see what is semicolon, because I want to execute this, and after that I can give the semicolon. Mean to say, after semicolon I can give one more command. Example here, I want to give write host. So write host is a print statement command or cmd-let in the PowerShell, just like other languages, example echo and printf or cout, something like that. Other languages, in PowerShell we use write host, which can print. Now what I want to print, so matches. So this is actually automatic system variable in the PowerShell, which hold the some results of this match. Okay, every time it will be changed after execution. So now see here, it will give you the some option, system collection dictionary entry, system and collection dictionary entry. That means this is the basically system variable here, and I want to put here example 0, because this looks like a actually array. Think about the array start with the 0. This is actually array. So if I print, it will give me the laptop word. This gives the complete string. Okay, and now what about this one? It's just look like a the capture pattern. Okay, look here, lab, can you see it was the capture pattern? Or what about the second? If you have a other capture pattern, 2. If you have a third, something like that, and C, and so on. But the moment we have only one capture pattern, I can use lab. Okay, I hope you can get it. Take one more example. Let's try to take one more example here. Example PowerShell. So this is the PowerShell word, and what we want to do, example power. Okay, and shell you want to put here, right? So now what is the output here? Let's see, 0. It will show the complete string. PowerShell will be there, right? But what will happen here if I use 1? It will give you the capture pattern. That is a captured, right? Okay, I hope you can got it. Now we want to use the non-capture. So how we can use the non-capture? Simply we will use here a question mark and colon. So that means it should not be non-capture. So now if you execute it, what is the output here? Nothing. Can you see here? There is no output, but true is coming because of this. Okay. So now it is done. Now let's try to take one more example, which we did previously, laptop. So here I can use a non-capture here. So now will it be captured in this variable? No, I want to check here. Okay, it is not captured. Okay, so I hope you can get it. So guys, this is basically the capturing and the non-capturing the pattern with the help of groups, a regular expression in the PowerShell. I hope you can get it. So guys, in today lab, what we have discussed, just let's try to overview once again here. So what we have discussed here, we just discussed the some meta characters, and then we discussed about the our groupings. So in meta character, we discuss about dot, and we discuss about slash d, we discuss about slash s, then we discuss about what to say w, right? These are the meta characters, and then after we discuss about groups. This is the capturing and this is the non-capturing. Very simple. So I hope guys you can do more practicing. Okay, and please have a look my previous regular expressions topics where we have a couple of regular expressions. Please go there and do practice, and please also do the practice for this meta characters and groups, and I hope you can do the good practicing, and see you in my next lab. Have a nice day. Bye bye.